This is the Cuisinart Deluxe Toaster Oven Broiler. Has a beautiful design, stainless steel, has a nice roll bar handle in the front here. When you open it, you can see the interior is quite generous. It's 0.6 cubic feet. It can hold a 12-inch pizza, a whole roast chicken, and it can also toast 6 slices of bread. So let me show you what else comes with your oven. This is your baking pan and rack, and the rack is adjustable, so you put it this way and it's high. Put it this way, it's much lower. This is your adjustable interior rack. On the top position, it has a lock, so it doesn't come out all the way, but it can also be removed and put into multiple positions, like so. This is the way you would put it if you're going to put a whole roasted chicken in there. I'm just going to turn it back over, put it back in here, because I'm going to use it in this position later. So that's the inside of your oven. The other thing is has 9 functions, and let me show them to you. First, you can see your clock display and large display here. And just by turning this knob, it starts to step through the functions. You have toast, bagel, and the one that's blinking is the function that you're on, bake. And then also with bake, you can use the convection function. Broil, keep warm, reheat. And let me just show you, for instance, for toast, when you put it on toast, notice it starts blinking. And notice that the shade button blinks. This lets you know what functions are operational in that setting. So you press shade, and this is where you can adjust your shade control from 1 all the way to light to 7, which is dark. And then you just hit the start button, and then your toaster start toasting. This also tells you how much time you have left in your toast cycle. I'm going to turn it off again, just so I can show you something else. For instance, here's your bagel. You're going to do the same thing, shade, set your shade on whatever you want. And then here you can also use the defrost function, and you'll see a little snowflake show up there. And that's really great, especially if you happen to freeze your bread or your bagels, you can use that. So then you have bake. It goes from 150. I'm going to press temp 150, and it goes all the way up to 450. So 150 to 450. And it goes in both directions. You'll also notice too, it has a 2-hour timer. So we could hit temperature. We set it on temperature, and then you can hit timer, and you can adjust the timer for whatever time up to 2 hours that you're going to cook. And then you just hit start, and it'll start preheating. So let me show you how to cook something in this toaster oven broiler. We're going to use the broil function today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the rack because that I don't need. I'm just going to close this a little bit. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to get it started while we're going to prepare our food. Just put it on broil. And we're going to hit start and let it get ready. You don't have to preheat in the broil feature. I'm just going to loop that open a little bit. So I think that's plenty of cheese. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven, slide it in. I'm going to close it. I like to leave it ajar a bit. And here is where we're going to set the timer on 12 minutes. And there we go. We're going to come back in a few minutes and check on our nachos. You're going to see how nice and bubbly the cheese is. So let's check on our nachos. I'm going to turn the oven off. Oh, look, they came out gorgeous. See how nice and evenly browned they are? That's because the oven has a really precise thermometer feedback, so it keeps great temperatures on the food you're going to cook in there. It's a really versatile product. It's the Cuisinart Deluxe Convection Toaster Oven Broiler.
The traditional wood-burning oven was a staple of high-quality cooking for centuries, until today. Please welcome the HeatMate Graphite Grill and Toaster Oven. the first cooking appliance with revolutionary graphite technology, offering instant heat. The sleek retro-like appearance, high efficiency and simple 15-minute manual timer will delight you with an incredibly fast and easy cooking process. The set of non-stick trays is included. The top graphite tube reaches its maximum temperature in 0.2 seconds. No need to preheat. The inside temperature is 30% higher than that of a regular toaster oven. Top and bottom heating elements quickly and evenly distribute heat within the oven, bringing your meals to perfection. Make your favorite dishes quickly, juicy and delicious, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Experience a modern twist of traditional cooking with our HeatMate graphite grill and toaster oven. Cook like a chef. Discover it for yourself.
Love the delicious taste of fried foods? Now you don't have to say no. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories with Cuisinart's air fryer, toaster oven, and grill. Our innovative technology lets you fry food with powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil. And it does so much more. Our new grill function lets you sear and grill meats, fish, and veggies. This versatile oven will also griddle, bake, broil, convection bake, convection broil, warm, and toast. So you'll use it every day. Say yes to healthy and delicious with the Cuisinart air fryer, toaster oven.
The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is an extra-large oven that won't take over your countertop. Air fry, dehydrate, bake, broil, and beyond. Cook your favorite foods fast with adjustable fan speeds, adjustable time, and temperature settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With 1,800 watts of power and 0.95 cubic foot capacity, this oven is large enough to air fry up to 4 pounds of food, toast 9 slices of bread, bake a 13-inch pizza, and fit a 9x13 baking pan. The oven rack can be used in 3 positions for optimal results. With convenient and easy-to-use air fry presets for fries, wings, snacks, and more, air fry your favorite foods by turning the function dial and selecting your desired preset. Use any of the cooking functions on the LCD control panel to toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, reheat, blow, proof, dehydrate, slow cook, and dual cook to create delicious meals in minutes. Dual cook is a special feature which combines 2 cooking functions or 2 temperatures and running them consecutively. Use the defrost button for frozen foods such as toast, bagel, pizza, and with air fryer presets to get precision cooking every time. Keep an eye on your food while it's cooking with a large viewing window and oven's interior light. The sides of the oven's interior have non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The baking pan and air fryer basket are dishwasher safe. Heat up a snack or prepare a feast with this versatile oven made to maximize variety and minimize fuss. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
The Breville Smart Oven does the thinking for you. 9 preset functions and Element IQ adjusts the heat to ensure an exact cooking process for the specific task. Let's see it in action. The Breville Smart Oven, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones, like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
Air frying just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options, from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast bagel and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1,800 watts of power, extra-large capacity, and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results.